get out of here, Bear. We mean you no harm. Go on, Bubbas. Kurt, now. Bubbas, come on. I hope you're the only one. Good kid, good kid. We're leaving. Back off, back off. Good kid. Good. Bubbas, come on. Bear, get out of here, Bear. We mean you no harm. Go on, Bubbas. Kurt, now. Bubbas, come on. I hope you're the only one. Good kid, good kid. We're leaving. Back off, back off. Freak Falls. Maybe. We'll see. But enjoying myself. As you can see, that's what I came up. And the dogs did okay. Come on, Chloe girl. Good girl. And there's Bubbas. Curahee. He's my handsome boy. He's like, let's go. Good boy. Good job. He's like, I'm so tired. Go. You can do it. Go. Go on. That up, boy. Good job, young man. Wow, you're doing it. You're doing it. Yes. The little one's too chicken right now. I used to always walk on recess or something up to this field from the one-room classroom I went to school at. Kindergarten through 8th grade, and we'd come down here. Sometimes there'd be water in this creek bed, sometimes not. Gotta watch for rattlesnakes. But we'd come up here and play. Yeah, and then we just go up this way and make our way. Watch out, gopher holes, because sometimes snakes will be in there. It's overgrown with star thistle. Oh my goodness. Wow. And that was our batting area for baseball.